We'll explore strategies for mitigating risk, such as asset allocation and periodic portfolio rebalancing. In the realm of investing, staying informed and disciplined is akin to having a compass in a constantly shifting landscape. The financial markets are dynamic, characterized by volatility and unpredictability. Market conditions can change swiftly, influenced by a myriad of factors ranging from economic indicators to geopolitical events. Being informed entails more than just a cursory understanding of market trends. It requires continuous learning and active engagement with financial news and analysis. By staying abreast of relevant developments, investors can gain valuable insights into market sentiment, industry trends, and macroeconomic factors that shape investment opportunities. For instance, changes in interest rates, inflation rates, or geopolitical tensions can have profound implications for asset prices and market dynamics. By monitoring these developments and understanding their potential impact on different asset classes, investors can make more informed decisions about asset allocation and portfolio management. Moreover, staying disciplined is crucial for navigating the ups and downs of the market without succumbing to emotional impulses. It's natural for investors to experience fear or greed in response to market fluctuations, but succumbing to these emotions can lead to irrational decision-making and impulsive actions. Discipline involves adhering to a well-defined investment strategy and sticking to predetermined goals, even in the face of market volatility. It means resisting the temptation to chase short-term gains or panic selling during market downturns. Instead, disciplined investors maintain a long-term perspective, focusing on the fundamentals of their investments and adhering to their strategic asset allocation. By staying informed and disciplined, investors can capitalize on opportunities that arise during market fluctuations while mitigating risks associated with sudden downturns. It's about maintaining a balanced approach to investing, grounded in knowledge, patience, and resilience. In essence, staying informed and disciplined is not just a strategy, it's a mindset. It's about recognizing that the journey of investing is marked by uncertainty and volatility, but also by opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. By embracing these principles, investors can navigate the ever-changing investment landscape with confidence and conviction, ultimately achieving their financial goals and aspirations. In conclusion, Investment Strategies for Beginners, a guide to building wealth, serves as your roadmap to financial success. By understanding the principles of investing, setting clear goals, diversifying your portfolio, and managing risk effectively, you can embark on a journey towards building lasting wealth and securing your financial future. Join us on this enlightening journey, and let's empower ourselves to achieve financial independence and prosperity through smart and strategic investing. The path to wealth begins with a single step. Are you ready to take yours?